Yo, what is going on YouTube? My name is Ty. My blog is xking.com. Hit you with another video. In today's video, I'm doing a real easy one. What is the best feature on WordPress? I've been blogging for about, I guess, a year and a half now, maybe a little bit longer. And one of the features I love about WordPress in itself, I think the best one of all, is the schedule feature. You can schedule out your blog post however far you want to go. So this video, I'm making this video on February 7th, 2020, and I got scheduled this blog post out when I'm not finished writing it to April. So that's one of the best features to me, and it makes the most sense. I love the fact that you can write content and schedule them out for the future. So if I know I'm going out of town, or during the weekend I'll be extremely busy, or holidays come around, I can go ahead and write the post way earlier, have it written, and schedule out for the future. So when that day comes, or the October 24th comes, I could be out of town, on vacation, on a cruise boat, whatever. This post will go live on that day at a certain time. So I love the fact of that. That's probably one of the best features on WordPress, is this time feature. So if you wanted to do one post per week, well, you could write 4 posts in one day, schedule them out, say every Wednesday, once a week. If you write 4 blog posts, you go ahead and write them out, schedule them to go out once per week. You're done for the whole month. You just nothing else to do for the whole month, because you got a post already scheduled. You have to wake up, on Wednesday, hit publish, you hit schedule, and then will automatically go ahead and publish it for you. Now, sometimes WordPress will miss the schedule, and it will say, miss schedule, so your post is still in a draft mode. What you need to do is get a plugin to help with that. Let's go to plugins here. I have seen it. It doesn't happen very often. It happens every once in a while that WordPress will miss the scheduled date. It's getting way better now, but I always download this if it loads up. I always download this plugin to help me make sure that if WordPress does miss it, it will schedule out for me. And it is called Schedule Post Trigger. This plugin right here, this plugin triggers schedule posts that were missed by the server. So if WordPress were to miss my post, this plugin will schedule it, will publish my blog post. Because sometimes WordPress might miss it. It happened to me twice already. So download Schedule Post Trigger. And I haven't had a problem since. I have not had one problem. WordPress has published my blog post, but that is probably one of the best tools to use on WordPress to me, because you can write the content and you can schedule it out for the future, and you can do this every week. And I wish I'd done this 5-6 years ago, because I could have done this before, so I could have had more content on my blog while scheduling them out. So scheduling posts, to me, frees me more time, because if I dedicate a week to writing blog posts, I will write enough blog posts to last me a month and a half. So the next week, I can focus on YouTube videos. And YouTube has the same feature as well. YouTube has the same feature as well. This is one of my game channels. And if I go to edit here, if it loads up, because I've been sitting here for a while. If I go to edit here, which it might not let me go to dashboard. Let's try this channel here. See, YouTube has the same feature as well, if it loads up, which is going really slow. Really slow. Well, anyway, since it won't load up, YouTube has the same feature. You can have your videos private, public, or scheduled. So now let's go to edit here. This is a very small channel. So anything you load a YouTube video, you can set as private, public, or scheduled. And if it loads up here, we can see now. You see here, here's the video. It's on private, but you can schedule it out for the future. Whatever day you want to schedule out on, you can schedule it. Okay. Whatever day you want to schedule it, but right now it's private. We do the same thing. One more plugin that I do like, that I use, is called WordPress Editorial Calendar. It's one of the best ones. So I'm gonna show you. You get a calendar size view of your blog post. So if you have a schedule, you can see what blog posts are going out on which day of the month, at what time, on a big calendar. YouTube doesn't have that feature. So you create 10 videos and you have 2 videos going out per week on a schedule. I get a physical calendar and I write down the YouTube video and the dates coming out. YouTube don't have that feature yet. You have to know what day your video is coming out in the future when you schedule it. But with WordPress, the editorial calendar, you can have a calendar view of all your blog posts in a month. And I will show you here what it looks like. So this is the calendar. I'll go back in the past. I'll go show it today. So now I can see all the blog posts that I got going out. This post came out today. I can see I got a post Monday. What is it about? I post Wednesday the 12th. What is it about? And you can also move these blog posts as well. You can move it however you want to. Also, you can show undrafted. So whatever you have in a draft, let's say you finished your blog post is written out. You hit draft. It on your right hand side, and you go in and schedule them out wherever you want to by dragging and dropping them. So there's an error on the blog, a little too much. But you see, you can slide it. It's going too slow right now. But you can slide what blog posts you want to show. I love that because if all my posts are written and already done, I set up a draft. And I take that blog post in this corner here and put it somewhere I wanted to be at. So those are the 2 best features on WordPress. But what the one's a plugin, one's a feature. But the feature is timestamping your blog post, getting a schedule so you can write all your schedule. I'm good for another 2 months. So that'll leave me with 2 months to do videos or whatever I want to do in between time. It's not working for some reason. YouTube has the same feature as well, that you can go here and put public to make it publicly known right now, or schedule them out in the future. Okay, so YouTube has that same type of feature. That's probably one of the best ones to have because it saves you time. You could when you get free time, you go ahead and write up all your content in one day and then schedule them out. That way you have more free time. And if I'm going on vacation for a week, I make sure I have a blog post going out every day that I'm gone, so I don't have to have nobody come on my blog and hit published it's already done. You know, the website acting crazy right now, but that's the end of my video. The best features on WordPress is the WordPress timestamp and the WordPress calendar. It's probably one of the best ones to make your life way easier. So that's it for my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, share the video, and I'll see you next time.